What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Man, it's freaking hot today. What's the temperature? All right, February the 12th. It's hot as hell. I just came back from putting out some pre-emergent, and I got a delivery. I'll show you real quick. Just got a delivery in, man. Some Amsoil. Yep, I went ahead and I'm gonna use this one this year. Well, I'm gonna use it until the whole gallon container goes out. I want to finish it. So I've been wanting to pull the trigger for the longest, man. You guys know that I've been using the Echo Red Armor, and but it's a little bit pricey, man. I'm not gonna lie. That shit is a little bit pricey. So I'm going with the two-stroke oil, the Saver Professional, and I've been speaking to some guys on the internet, man. And that's why I love watching you guys on YouTube, man. I mean, I watch a whole bunch of you guys, and again, I learn what to do and what not to do. You know what I mean? But yeah, and a guy that really kind of helped me make up my mind was Russell. Yeah, Russell from Gwinnett Lawn Care in Atlanta. He looks like he knows what the hell he's doing. So check him out if you get a chance, man. Thanks, Russell, appreciate it. So we're gonna go with the Saber. Again, this is not a sponsored video, guys. He gave me his I guess his little special number, whatever. I talked to him in regards to ordering it. But I went ahead and became I took a 6 months membership on the preferred customer program, which is like $10, I think it is, for 6 months, and you get all kind of discounts and stuff. Again, this is not a sponsored video, guys. This is just what I'm doing for those who are interested in what Blades of Grass is doing. So yeah, so this is what I'm going with this year. Well, until I finish the container, and I will know definitely if it works or not. I paid $39 for this, for the gallon, and 2.6 ounces per a 2.5 gallon of gas, I think it is. Don't quote me. I think that's what it is, or 5 gallon. I don't know. Just and again, it depends on what ratio you're going with. And again, I'm going off the head, guys. So don't say, "Hey, man, you're wrong." You know how you guys like to put that stuff in the comments. You're wrong, man. But no. So yeah, that's what I'm going with. As of I think I have like 2 more. Do I have any more red on? Nope, I don't have any more. But yeah, as of once I finish my containers, I'm going with the two-stroke oil. And again, thanks, Russell. And what else? We put out our pre-emergent today. So that's pretty good. And let me show you what I use. And again, this is what was left over. And I have the Lesco 007, and it's 21% dementia. All right, dimension. So yeah, that's what I'm using. And again, the way I'm doing it this year, and it's just for me, so it's no particular reason. I'm spraying with liquid dementia in the front yard, and I'm using my my dye, my blue dye, because for some reason it looks pretty cool. Everybody drive by and you can tell the ones that were treated because it looks blue. And then I'm using the granular in the back, and there's no specific reason, just want to do it that way. So let me see what else. Nope, that's about it. Oh, let me show you what I got also. I bought some edger blades, the box copperhead edger blades, and I got these from a dealer, and they're usually like 39 and change for 50, but I went ahead and only paid $32. My my dealer hooked me up with these 50 piece. So I bought 2 boxes, 32 bucks each. And yeah, I know, you know, you're gonna say, well, you know, why spend your money on edge blades? You know, you can use a string. I mean, the string is pricey as well, guys, so you know, that's a big deal. And I'm used to it, and it's easier for me to train a new guy on using a stick edger than to teach them how to edge with a string trimmer. All right. Oh, there's a doggy. Take it. Oh, okay. That's the dude next door. Yeah. Other than that, guys, just wanted to make a quick video, man, and see how you guys doing. It's supposed to be like 81, 82 today, but and it's supposed to rain. So yeah, that's what we did today. I picked up, you know, some new mix. I picked up some edger blades, and we put out our pre-emergence today. So yeah, we usually put out our pre-emergent the second week of February, and as you guys know, I did mine a couple of weeks ago. I get paranoid, man, because the weather has been fluctuating, but you know, it's looking pretty good. And I'm going to spray some dollar weeds with one of my customers. And for those guys who've been asking about my weed identification board, that's it right there. And that was my project for the winter. So what I did is I got one from, you know, a little poster from Bayer and different posters, and just kind of clip them up, cut them out, and put it there. This way, man, I'm telling you, all the guys have to do when they service the properties is, you know, if they see any weeds, because, you know, we maintain a weed-free environment with our customers. So basically, if they see a weed or amount of weeds, all they have to do is take a close-up picture, and then, you know, we come over here and look exactly what it is, and then I'll go out and spray. Makes it simple, man, instead of trying to go through your phone and trying to figure out what is what, right? Cool. All right, guys. Hey, don't want to hold you up, man. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos, man. I do appreciate it. And tomorrow, if it doesn't rain, then Q and I will go out, and we got a couple of projects we have to do, you know, take care of some of our customers. But yeah, other than that, man, and hey, shout out to my man Rick Bell. I went to a turf class here in Savannah, and I met a pretty cool guy, man, Rick Bell. He's not on social media or anything like that, but you know, I like what he's doing. I had a chance to sit down with him and talk to him, and as a matter of fact, I got his number, and we communicate here and there. He's been in the business for a while, and man, one thing that really blew my mind is not the way he's keeping his equipment, because, you know, I know I'm not the only one, the only perfectionist. You know, a whole bunch of you guys are doing the same thing, but this guy is so in tune with his workers that he actually put a freaking AC unit in one of his trailers. Yo, it blew my mind. I was like, yo, dang, that was new. And I'm telling you, man, that's the way. And okay, so he has a portable little generator because it gets hot here, guys. But yeah, and I'm guessing it's for landscaping jobs where, you know, you have the guys out there, whatever the case may be. But he put an AC unit in one of his trailers, and with a portable generator. And you know, when an owner do stuff like that, man, you know, it makes you go, damn, this guy's different. You know what I mean? So, and again, none against nobody else, but that's one guy that I need to stay close to, man. You know, because you learn a lot from people who really honestly do care about the people that work for them, you know? I don't believe in working my people, you know, 23 hours, you know? No, and nobody cares about this stuff the way you do. You're the owner, you know? That's the quickest way to lose people, but that's another topic. All right, guys, I'm starting to ramble. Thank you, guys. Again, my edger blades, my 2-stroke oil, and my weed board. Pop smoke. Peace.